Moving forward, I would like to invite Mr. Arunachalam Mukaranatham, social entrepreneur, also known as the original Padman, to deliver his speech.
So good morning, everyone. Age and Mr. Amit and all. So I think many you know my name, Padman, and what I did, and everything. In spite, I want to share my details because they gave me 15 minutes of time. So everything I started from my wife. I saw almost 22 years ago, my wife is using a rack clock. Then I asked her on a particular day why you are adopting this unhygiene method. There is some product in shop. Even I don't know the term called sanitary pad. She replied like slapping on my cheek. I also know about that, but myself, your sister, all the women at our family start using that. We have to cut our family milk budget, she replied. Then literally shocked, oh my God, it is a matter of affordability. Then I put into my nose to make an affordable pad for my wife. Please note down all the startup younger generation. Everything I started from my wife, now it is gone global. So anything you want to change, something, the Northeast or Sikkim or India or universe, first change your family, your street, then Sikkim, then come to change the India. So don't try straight away come change to India and changing the world. So any idea, anything you have, make a prototype, then check whether it is useful or not. Then you can, there is a chance you can change, you can modify like that. Then I tried to make a machine. The whole story everybody know. While I'm doing the research, to whom I try to do that, she also having a misunderstanding. She separated my wife. I got a divorce notice. One point of time, the whole village people they thought I am become a psycho. I am become the vampire drinking girl's blood because the subject or the domain I touched, the women personal hygiene is the taboo area for centuries. I don't know for how many centuries. And I'm from Buddha era or before the Buddha era, no one knows because the subject today I'm talking on a startup platform. It's a taboo. The wife never talk to husband, a daughter never talk to mother. The friends don't talk each other. So such a subject I took 2.5 decades ago. Then I made a machine. On the machine, I made sanitary pad. Then the sanitary pad is working perfectly with the women. Please note it down, all the startup younger generation person. Whatever you want to do, please co-create from the day one with your customer. This is very, very, very important. So you are not a multinational, do something on a lab, then put a brand and try to force the brand by advertisement something. Unknowingly, I did the research from the day one. It is a co-creation. The words and all. Now I become even the guest lecturer at Harvard and MIT. But actually, I'm a school dropout. I am the first generation startup. Please note down, underline it. I am the first generation startup. Because even Mukesh Ambani's son coming do something new, he can also call as a startup. Anand Mahendra family, something he want to do new, he also call as a startup. But somebody is starting from Sikkim, from the poor family, the first graduate or a school dropout with an idea, you cannot put on the same platform. Both are startup. This is very, very difficult. That's why 90% of startup, why they fail. I don't know this, I'm using the word fail. Because it is very difficult. Now go through my story. Then I invented the machine. The machine made sanitary napkin. I gave the napkin to hundreds of volunteers from the day one for years. Then I got the feedback from one college girl, that is a medical college student. One day I asked about the feedback. Those days, the Indian girls have started driving scooters, gearless scooty. The girl took the delivery of scooter in front of the showroom. I look like a beggar while I'm doing the research. Nobody know, no angel, investor, venture capitalist, nothing. Nobody will give before you succeed. Once you succeed, people they will come for the money. Who need money once you succeed? That's the problem. When you are startup, nobody will give the money. When you need, nobody will give. When you don't need, then the whole world come to pump the money in you. Is no use. Then on a particular day, I saw the girl. I'm asking the girl, the scooter is fine. What of the napkin? They used to call me as brother. Bhaiya, the napkin. Oh my God, I forget. See, a girl is forgetting she is on menstruation, on periods. Such a comfort my napkin is giving. That's a eureka moment for me. I succeed. Please note down all the startup. The moment you got the success on your product, or the satisfaction from your customer, that is almost 90% success you did on your startup. This where you are missing. You never checked your product, you never did anything. You have only on the spiral bound note and CDs. You are presenting to investors, angel capitalists, startup to Tej, Amit, everyone to me, but you never check with the customer, not even a single customer. That's the problem is happening now. Anyone, all the list I saw, have you checked your idea with any customer? One, at least for your family, what you did. Or you washed your car with the system. Something you check practically. Then I made the machine. Then, being a mechanical machine, I need to get certification. The only, the body in India, it is IIT. Even on those days, I don't know the difference between Indian Institute of Technology and Industrial Training Institute because both are having ICTs. That's why many times I used to call ITA. Then on a particular day, I sent the machine to the IIT Madras. Very first time I'm seeing man with French beard and mustache and beard are joined. They never wore full pant or half pant, Bermudas, Nike shoes. They are speaking English the whole body. Hi, boy. Because I'm chatting very important point in Northeast. Because for entrepreneurship, whether you are like or not like, you need English. That's the biggest problem. The English which I am speaking only from 2009. Earlier 2000, I don't know a single word. By the time I am explaining my mission with 6 engineers of IIT, they are asking, this sly English, I'm unable to understand what they are asking. But only the thing, what I did on my core engineering, that is my domain. Please note it down again, the startup, that something I tried, the subject which I know very thoroughly on engineering. That's why any language they're asking, I can able to answer why I made the blade into in this material, that material, I answered. But they agree it is an innovation, they certified. Then I got an award from IIT of Madras for the best innovation for betterment of society. In spite, they among the 6 engineers, they are discussing something in English. Why this man took his life into risk 9 years? He made a simple machine like this. In what way I'm going to use a simple machine against transnational companies, those who are making sanitary pads. Please note it down, the entrepreneurs, the startup entrepreneurs. The domain which I entered, unknowingly, I'm going to rub my shoulder with multi-billion dollar companies, not even a single $1 billion. Not only you're talking about unicorns, multicons, 16 billion. From the day one, 20 years ago, I started to rub shoulder with multinational, transnational, especially with voice, unknowingly. Then the problem is they're criticizing the machine. It's a simple machine, maybe per day 1,000 napkins you can make. What way is going to, that is correct what they're arguing. But my idea is totally different. I cannot be able to convince with Excel sheet and some slides. Even I don't know nothing about computer also on those days. But I'm having a 100% clarity. That is what very important for your successful journey in entrepreneurship. More than knowledge or IIM graduation or IIT graduation or Harvard graduation, you need a clarity on your idea is very important. You don't have a clarity on your idea what you are going to present. Please don't present. Don't try to attempt to do it in practical. Because even you don't have clarity, why you are disturbing others? But I'm having the clarity because in my family, no woman has used sanitary pad in my village. Then I'm checking, oh my God, larger number of women are not using sanitary pad in Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu means it is better than, in education, in compared to other states. In spite, there is a problem in Tamil Nadu. I want to check what is happening in Bihar, what is happening in Northeast. I was there 20 years ago in Sikkim, in the Gangtok, in Arunachal Pradesh. Then I decoded it because there is a presence of multinationals from 1947 to 2004 while I'm presenting. But after, I found not even 5% women are using sanitary pad. Then all that, federal government, everybody they call AC Nielsen, They took 1.5 years time. Then they come out a figure after 1.5 years of survey. Muruga told in Delhi, after getting President Award for Best Engineering Innovation Award for the low-cost sanitary napkin making machine, the AC Nielsen giving a report, only 12% women are using sanitary pad. 88% women are not using sanitary towel in India. But while I'm telling the school dropout to other people, nobody ever agreed because they thought you are seeing advertisement for every 10 minutes. The big advertisements coming, they're cutting the napkin into two, they're pouring yellow water, red water. Out of it, you thought every woman in India are using. But I know it is impossible. That's what I told. You are miserably failed, no matter your turnover is 140 billion. What is happening in India? Your penetration is only 12%. I said, you go away. You don't try to give the idea to me. You are a failure one. Because only the successful people are able to give idea to a real person, or you have to end up with the biggest failure. You can say how I failed. Then the real started. Then I started giving the machine. Even I'm the right person to talk the TAGE platform because we are having presence in every state of Northeast, from Arunachal Pradesh to Assam, everywhere. Then, we supplied machines to all over India. Then I allowed people to come out their own brand. Now there are 1,384 local sanitary pad brands with the local, Sikkim name and, Meghalaya name and Arunachal Pradesh name. These brands are comfortably sustaining against multinational brands for 15 years and 20 years. That's why I became a guest lecturer in Harvard. Whereas cumulatively, all the brands, the revenue which they are creating is almost 0.75 billions. That's why I circled by a lot of venture capitalists, but I'm not offering. So this what, from the day when it took 20 years, that's what I'm saying. You don't hurry. I'm saying the clarity is very, very important. Try a prototype model if you are having an engineering idea or a core chemical idea, or you are having an aggregator idea, anything, you just check with the customer. Check the, not a feedback. Even while I'm asking feedback about my sanitary pad for 4 years of time, they used to say, Anna, it is okay. Inside the okay, I found not okay. Because of mercy or something, for, this guy is coming for years. Even they say, your known person or somebody is trying so much, why should we discourage him? It's okay. You have to have the knowledge inside the okay also, you need to find not okay. I said, the girl said, while I'm asking about feedback of a napkin, oh, my brother, I forget about my sanitary pad, my period. That is a real feedback. So such a feedback you need to get. And the India or the world, they never look up any startup, an ordinary startup. Any idea you have a disruptive. The moment you say to Amit or to me, the idea, we have to jerk. Oh my God, so much disrupt. We need disruptive idea. The moment you said the whole world should stumble. Oh my God, this guy, what is the cost of napkin making machine? $1,000. The moment I said $1,000 sanitary napkin machine, the whole world get jerked. That's what we need disturb, and as well as in other side. So the problem with young startup people, they are thinking it is a race of making money or betting money. It is not a horse race. Bet the money and sit on the gallery. Come on, come on, come on. It is like a horse riding, a twin horse riding with a chariot. One horse is sustainability, not success. I'm here not to talk about success. To make success, you need to sustain is very, very important on startup. The first thing you need to sustain. To sustain, you need a very, very 100% clarity on your idea, on your product. Second, side by side in other house, you need to check with that idea, are you able to make a social impact? Check these two parameters, customer satisfaction, disruptive idea, and sustainability and making social impact. So all the parameters are matched. Don't worry, you are be a next unicorn, so nothing else. So don't be so much fear, because the many very important thing is the fear on the future makes you fail. Don't make fear on your idea or anything. So just go, it is a journey. So don't think startups making something, sitting on the rolling chair and appointing to beautiful secretaries dictating. So entrepreneurship is going to office to solve your everyday problem as well as solving the other citizen problem. or other problem in the society. So both, so you check the moment startup means you are here to serve the society, not to make yourself as a unicorn or to be a next billionaire, nothing. So make that mindset, check your idea, double check, triple check, 4 check before presenting, and make a prototype and make, trial run, everything, make 100% satisfaction on you. The moment anyone come to present me now, in a minute, in 30 seconds, I know this guy will success or not. That is a confidence you need to, I was there in London. I spoke with Paul Purn of Unilever. Then I met all that, Fortune 100 CEOs. Inspired, they selected me for Inspired Leadership Award on 2016. Why? Every person on the, event I'm hugging, I used to ask, so what's your last year turnover? Amru, are you serious? You want to know the real figure? So 144 billion, 200 billion, 300 billion. I hugged all the Fortune 100 CEOs with 0 billion turnover. Here, the billions are not a matter. The idea, the disruptive, that impact what you are making, the world will trumpet. So the latest trend is, if you are having an idea or innovation, no need to trumpet yourself. It is real one. The world will trumpet for you, like what is happening in my life. So that's all. So anything you want, anybody more than investment or investor, mentor is very, very important for every successful track of startup, guys. So you use Amit, or you can call me, or anyone, we can help you for mentoring. So mentoring, any doubt, it is like, sitting on Son Bayanga Korobadi something, the program now. You're unable to answer the question, they will allow to go helpline. You can call some friend. Like that, you are unable to make some decision, or you want to go to make a decision, you call Amit or me or somebody, even I am unable to do it, I can connect with a very good person, those who are running entrepreneurs for generation in Coimbatore. So that's all I can do. Thank you very much for calling. I love Northeast very much. I'm there for almost 20 years, and really, Tej, you're doing a wonderful thing in Northeast. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir, for your time, sir. Thank you.
Sorry, it took 2 minutes extra.
No problem, sir.
Thank you, sir, for sharing your words and for the encouragement. And we are very honored to have you with us today.